Assalamualaikum. Hi. Let's continue with using queries in Nvivo. Queries help you explore your data systematically. They are like smart tools that show patterns, comparisons, and overlaps. Matrix coding query. Matrix coding query lets you see the relationship between two sets of items, for example, codes versus cases or codes versus codes. It helps you find patterns and overlaps. It is useful for comparing groups or teams, for example, how many participants talk about resources in your data. We have other queries. First, coding query. To check coding consistency, it shows all data coded at one or more nodes. Second, cross-tab query. It compares two sets of data, for example, comparing responses by gender or group. Third, coding comparison query. It compares coding done by different people or different coding rounds, and it is useful for reliability check. Fourth, compound query. It combines several queries. And last but not least, group query. It finds text coded under a group of nodes. So these are 4 simple steps to run query in your Nvivo. Let's try. Click Explore. Click Matrix Coding Query. You can drag item to add them here in the rows. For example, I want to add resources. For the columns, select Attributes. Click plus, select. By gender, click OK. So the first gender, male, OK. Click plus again. Gender, female, click OK. So run query. So we have 1 male participant talk about resources and 2 female participants talk about resources. So this is the coding matrix. You can view the result in the form of chart. You can change the design of the chart. So that's it for matrix coding query. So now let's explore coding query to find all content with the specified coding. So click this because I want to specify it. Let's select one of the codes. I want to go for internet. Okay. So click run query. So this is the summary. We have all participants talk about internet with the most for participant 1. So you can also refer to the coverage, reference, and text. So now let's explore cross-tab query. It creates a table that shows coding intersections between codes and attributes values or codes and cases. So click cross-tab. You can drag and put it here. You can also click plus. So I want to select for example, we be specific by selecting accessibility. Click OK. Gender. Click run query. So we have the data in the form of table here. You can also view it in the form of chart. Okay, that's it for cross-tab query. Let's explore the next query, coding comparison. You compare coding done by 2 users to check reliability. Let's say we have 2 users or you did your coding twice, 2 rounds of coding. Select first user, click OK. Second user, click OK. You can also see the calculation types here. You can check the boxes. Click run. This is the result. So next, let's explore compound query. Combine text searches and coding queries to find text in or near coded content. So let's say coding query, criteria, I want to be specific. Or you can also select a particular code or case. I want to choose any of these codes or cases. Let's select appropriate schemes. Okay. Click OK. And then for the next query, coding query, select the criteria. Any of these codes or cases. I want to select the second parent code. OK. Click OK and run. So you can view the summary with the coverage, reference, and text. So we are done with compound query. Now let's explore last one, group query. Find items associated with other items in terms of coding, attribute values, relationship, and etc. So you can select relationship or other types here. So I select items coding. Selected items. I want to be specific. So I want to select, for example, I want to go for accessibility. Okay. Click run. You can view the summary and connection map. So you can also run your cursor here to see the connection. This map is a visual representation of how your codes are distributed across your files or sources. Essentially, it is showing you who said what. So key insights to extract the information. Based on this map, you can ask yourself, is there a theme that everyone mentioned? The code maybe, the code with the most lines. Is there a theme mentioned by only one or two participants? Which interview was the richest if you have many sessions of interview? So that's it for group query. Don't forget these 4 simple steps. For matrix coding query, go to Explore Matrix Coding Query, select the rows and columns, click Run. And for other types of queries, you can click Explore Queries, select the type, select or enter criteria, and click Run Query. That's all. Bye.